Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello again everyone. Today I'm going to try something different. This will be an out-of-the-packet pick and play with a new set of cuffs. These are the VLR Gun 3020 handcuffs. They are manufactured in Turkey. Looking at the cuffs, we have a large open keyway due to the manufacturer opting for a proprietary key. The locking mechanism is a double pawl system with a diagonal tooth configuration on the bow. It uses a concept borrowed from Smith & Wesson to activate the double lock. The double lock is undone by using key rotating away from the bow. Okay. We have had a look, let's have a play. Can we shim the lock from the rear? Nope, the pawls are not budging. Can we shim from the front? Yes. But the bow needs to assist in depressing the pawl spring. Okay, now to look at the keyway. The lock mechanism are controlled by a single lever, so let's just see what works. First up, a binder clip. This clip only just touches the lever from the front and slips. However, from the rear seems to be a more reliable attack vector. So what about just reaching in with a thin bit of metal? Ideal. Next attack method. Let's try the master lock combination key. It clips the lever, but no matter how much I jiggle, it doesn't open. So that method is out. Let's try that staple of handcuff picking, the bobby pin. No bends, just hook the lever with the eye. Perfect. Now to use a shim to open the lever. Ideal. With the double lock applied, can the binder clip redeem itself? Yup. Now to try the pawl press again. No good. Either the springs are too strong, or just too new and not yet worked in. It's still tough to shim against the springs, but achievable. And finally we just open them up with some keys to show that the odd key is just a malformed universal key. These cuffs are absolutely incredible for just starting out with handcuffs. Dare I say it, these are the master lock of cuffs. Nearly every exploit on them is achievable. They are also very cheap if you are in Europe. I got mine from eBay and I will include a link to the item in the comments. Thanks for watching and stay safe everyone. I will see you all next time.